Number 4 is Ansee 3D Printer. Ansee 3D Printer is an excellent choice for kids and beginners who want to explore their creativity in mechanical engineering and electronics. Its all-in-one structure designed with an easy-operated button, visible protective door, and screen makes it very safe and easy to operate. The printer comes fully assembled, making setting up and printing immediately hassle-free. This 3D printer offers high-speed and high-precision printing with a standard nozzle of 0.6 mm in diameter, reaching a precision of up to 0.1 and a speed of up to 60 mm per second. Its size is compact, occupying very little space, and is convenient to carry. The removable flexible magnetic plate provides all-around protection to the printer, ensuring a consistent temperature throughout the build surface and easy removal of printing models after cooling. The Ansee 3D printer includes a PLA filament of 1.75 mm, enough for printing about 10 models of 80 by 80 by 80 mm, along with a diversified collection of models in the TF card. After unexpected power outages, the printer can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position. The 3D printer comes with a 1-year warranty, and customer support is responsive, responding within 24 hours. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.